PewDiePie sucks. I'm gonna get so much hate after this. Hooks. You know what hooks are? Those little clips in the beginning that makes you want to watch the video. It's basically like an introduction to the video. And if that's not fun enough, who's gonna watch your video? So I'm here to react to some of those hooks. So let's start with PewDiePie himself, alright? We're gonna do a comparative analysis of these YouTube hooks and we're gonna see where they went wrong and how did they make it better. Sounds fun enough? Okay, let's start. I'm not asking for your feedback.
Oh hey, I didn't see that. Welcome to Dumb Ways to Die. I'm sure you've seen the video.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Everyone's seen the video at this point. But they also have a really awesome iPhone game. Oops. But yeah, it's really funny, it's really awesome, and I wanted...
Cool. Dumb Ways to Die is a game that came out when I was about 15. And now I'm nearly 23. So that makes me feel very, very old. Very old. But the intro, right? Here's where he went wrong.
So many dumb ways to die.
In that time, in 2014, God, that makes me feel old. उस time पे कुछ भी चलता था, तो this works. And it's nice that he started off with the intro of the song itself. So it's not like, hi, we're gonna play Dumb Ways to Die. It's gonna be fun. That's just boring. No one's gonna watch that. No one's gonna watch that. I'm sorry to break your bubble. Even I'm not gonna watch that.
Squid Game with Jacksepticeye.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Squid Game time. Let's go. For everyone watching, I have never ever played Roblox before.
I'm surprised you said yes. I was so shocked.
Everybody else is doing this right now, and it's fascinating.
We gotta get that win in Squid Game.
You guys are Gen Z kids. You play Minecraft. You play Roblox. Roblox. But I haven't played. So I am Gen Z, but not so Gen Z also. I don't know. It's a good intro, and you know why? Because you can't really see Jacksepticeye's face. Jacksepticeye is the guy who's playing with him. He's another gamer. I'm sure you've heard of him. He's a big gamer. If you haven't, the fun part here is that Jacksepticeye's face is not seen. So he is replaced. PewDiePie has replaced it with images of Jack. So you just get to see his images, and it's like pa 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 pa. It's chaotic.
With Jacksepticeye.
It's so chaotic, right? It's so chaotic. It's all over the place. It's fun to watch because it's not just two people just talking. It's so much more enthusiastic compared to the other intro. Remember? It's so much more enthusiastic. There's a lot more confidence on screen. Randomness going on. Everything is just all over the place. I think I've mentioned that 50 times by now, but you get the point. It's pretty awesome. I like it. I would say PewDiePie's intros has gotten better. So PewDiePie does not suck. I take my word back. Please forgive me. Peter McKinnon. That was so difficult. So this Peter dude, right, is a cinematographer, videographer, a really cool guy with a lot of aesthetics going on. The intros are always the best. His hooks are always the best. I did not know cinematic videos can make me want to eat vegetables. Indian moms, just show Peter McKinnon's videos to your kids. Your kids will eat your broccoli, I swear. They will eat the broccoli and spinach. That's such a sad clap. Wait. Let's watch the intro again, now. I wanna see it one more time. It's so good, I wanna see it one more time.
मजा आया.
This video will make me go vegetarian. It's easy as that. That's the biggest compliment you'll get from me. Peter McKinnon. Yeah, so intro is pretty cool. Hook is really nice. Basically, it's a tutorial video, right? So if you ever want to make a tutorial video, you might as well show something that's relevant to it, or you know, the outcome itself in the beginning. That's a cool hook. You can put the outcome in the beginning and then you can put the entire process. That'd be really cool, because people will be like, oh, she's already showing the final result, then what's the process like? So that'll be like a plot twist if you put the outcome right in the beginning and then the process after that. That's really nice. This hook is mad. I watched this video till the end. It's 19 minutes 34 seconds. Yeah, I don't have a life. I learned also. I mean, I tried to learn.
Okay.
We have Tanisha. It's the Tanisha. Tanisha is her name. Tanisho is the name of a channel. The Tanisho. Tanisha makes a lot of reels, and eventually she started up her own YouTube channel, and she makes a lot of vlogs.
Hi, besties.
Camera was so in your face.
Hi.
This is Yash. We are in New York and we've actually been here for a while.
That's my first time though.
It's his first time here, but we're gonna vlog our last day here because I forgot to vlog the previous days, and it's fine.
And I reminded you like multiple times.
He reminded me, but I didn't listen to him.
So, see, I care about her more than she does.
Y'all know that's not true. But yes.
It's not nice.
Vlogs is easily one of the easiest forms of content, yet it's the most difficult. Kind of a vlogs, right? You need to add a lot of background music, some sort of background music, for it to be slightly entertaining, because when you're vlogging, right, there needs to be some personality to it. You can't really just be like, I'm with my friend and I'm here and I'm going to New York for the first time. But this doesn't work. This intro is very boring, very lame, it's not even entertaining for me to watch just even 2 minutes of the video.
We are in New York and
it's almost like I'm watching an Instagram story.
That's my first time though.
It's his first time here, but we're gonna vlog our last day here because I forgot to vlog the previous.
It's like an Instagram story. I was right. I was right. It's an Instagram story. Idhar to there's no comedic cuts, there is no background music, doesn't make me want to watch even 2 minutes of it. I'm going to skip it completely. I'm sorry, Tanisha, Tanisho. Please forgive me if I said PewDiePie sucks. PewDiePie does not suck. He is the best YouTuber in the entire planet. He is God of YouTube. He is God forever. Okay. So now that we learned about hooks and intros, how do you make hooks interesting? How do you make hooks entertaining for people to watch? How do you grab your audience's attention? How do you not make it boring? A lot of questions. One answer. Let's go through some tips on how to make hooks not so boring. Number 1, add interesting clips from your video. Go through your footage. Dude, just go through your footage. Whatever you find is hilarious, whatever you find is interesting, whatever you find humorous enough, add that right in the beginning of the video. People will be really interested to find out more. People will get hooked. I tried. Number 2, I'm a little caffeinated actually. I think you realize that. These are creative cuts to make things humorous, to make things funny. This is where a lot of your editing skills come into play. So if I were to just talk to you, essay, randomly, hi, I'm gonna teach you intros and hooks. Please learn, please. Hell, even my family wouldn't watch it. Number 3, cinematic shots. So like in the example of Peter McKinnon, he didn't narrate anything. He didn't use any interesting clips in the beginning. All he did was add a lot of visual shots to show what the video is gonna be about. He didn't even have to go through the trouble of talking to a camera. I am the one, the way your son. He just showed what the video is gonna be about with a simple 10-second clip of, you know, pure cinematic masterpiece. Number 4, offer a surprise. You must have seen cooking shows, cooking challenges and all of that on YouTube, na? Either someone is burning the kitchen down, or there's like dishes on fire, or you know, everyone's yelling and screaming. It's like Gordon Ramsay in Kitchen Nightmares or something like that. So when you click on a video, you're always like, okay, let's see what this video is about, and then suddenly you're like, why is the kitchen on fire? So you need to make it as random as possible and as surprising as possible for the viewer, so that they get really interested in what's gonna happen next. I generally tend to watch videos like this. If there's chaos in a video, I am the number 1 viewer. If you want to watch more such videos like this, drop a like right now. Please drop a like so I can order Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon clothes. Amazon, who buys clothes from Amazon? And subscribe to this channel so I can buy myself clothes. Yeah, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.